Welcome to BrainsPK. Today we are sharing a demo about Amazon course. We will teach you the full course step by step. Step number 1. Amazon account creation and management. Step number 2. Product hunting. Step number 3. Product listing. Step number 4. Listing optimization. Step number 5. Product sourcing. Step number 6. Runs ads and creates sales generation. Step number 7. Details about Amazon FBA versus FBM and wholesale. Step number 8. Garage account creation and how it works. Step number 9. Facebook Commerce Manager and shop creation. After completing the course, you will be able to run your own store on Amazon, Garage, and Facebook. Plus also you can start earning from offering these skills on Fiverr, freelancer.com and Upwork.